Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah,
Are you prepared to lose everything you hold dear in a matter of seconds? Your home, your possessions, your memories, all washed away in a relentless flood? Can you envision standing in water with nowhere to turn and no hope in sight? Amjad Ali doesn't have to imagine. He lived it. He experienced the unimaginable and he survived. But at what cost? His home, his livelihood, his community, all destroyed in a flash. Amjad Ali knows he's living it every day and he's not alone.
बाहर गलियों में, रस्तों में पानी ही पानी था। कोई बच्चे उठाकर ले जा रहा था, कोई मेरे हाथ में आता था, कोई किसी का था, मैं उसको दे देता था। तो इतने में मुझे आवाज़ आया कि तुम्हारा घर चला गया। तो मैंने इस तरफ देखा तो मेरा घर भी चला गया। इसी में मैं भी आया, मैं भी अपना सामान इकट्ठा करके ये रखा हुआ है। ये तंबुओं में रह रहा हूँ। तो कभी बर्फ़ के दिन जब बर्फ़ आया तो ये तंबू मेरा गिर गया, तो उस दिन मुझे बहुत तकलीफ़ आया। मैंने देखा कि कोई जगह नहीं था।
Thousands of people across Pakistan are facing the same struggles, the same devastation, the same uphill battle to rebuild their lives. But there is hope. Amidst the wreckage and chaos caused by the devastating floods, Al Mustafa Welfare Trust has been a beacon of hope for the people of Pakistan. Our commitment to rebuilding lives kept us grounded, as we recognized that the task at hand was not limited to physical struggles. Rather, it involved the restoration of hope and dignity for those who had lost everything.
अल मुस्तफ़ा ने कर दिया है और अल्लाह उसको खैर करे, अल्लाह उसको बहुत कुछ दुनिया और आखिरत में दे दे, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमको ब्लॉक दे दिया, सीमेंट दे दिया, मजदूर दे दिया, हम अपने घर में शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे अल्लाह के रहम से।
Since day one of the floods, we've been working tirelessly to provide aid and relief to those affected across Balochistan, KPK, Sindh and the Punjab. Thanks to your donations and support, our impact has been significant. We have been able to provide cooked meals to thousands of people, distribute food packs to vulnerable families, and carry out medical camps to provide essential emergency medical aid to communities in need. Your contribution made a difference in many lives. We're rebuilding houses, mosques, and impacting food-affected hearts. With your support, we're providing aid and resources for people to begin anew and flourish. Al Mustafa Welfare Trust. Another blessed Ramadan is here, yet our commitment remains the same.